Okay, so today what you're doing is you're going to write formulas and name binary ionic compounds. Binary, okay, where's my little thing? Binary means two atoms. Ionic means a metal plus a nonmetal. Pretend that's spelled right, non-metal. Okay. With a type 2 metal, what is a type 2 metal? Those, yeah, most of them. The multivalent atoms, which are the mostly transition metals. So you write the symbol for each ion. Positive ion always goes first. Why? Because cats are far more important than anions. Write the oxidation number. I don't even know what an oxidation number is, do you?
It's a charge.
It is the charge. So if you don't like this word, you could write charge above each symbol. All right. And for a type 2 Roman metal, hey, stop that. For a type 2 Roman numeral,
What did you do?
I broke it. It won't go away. We'll just ignore that. Pretend you don't see that. For a type 2 metal, the Roman numeral tells you the oxidation number. You crisscross the oxidation numbers just like you did before. Just like you did before. Here we go. So, copper and chlorine. Somebody's already written the oxidation numbers for us. So you would rewrite it again like that. The 2 then goes to the chlorine. The 1 which we do not write goes here. Chromium 2 oxide is what we would say. The 2 goes here, the 2 goes here. Are we done?
No.
Why?
Because there's...
You could simplify this to CrO. And iron 3 oxide would be written like this. Iron 3 oxide would be written like that? Mm-hmm. It would. That part's pretty easy peasy lemon squeezy, isn't it? Okay. I want to leave lots of time for the part that's not so easy, and I really should turn off the animation, shouldn't I?
Yes.
All right, but we'll just sit here while we're waiting for this, and we are almost done.
Blast off.
Ooh, got carried away. Come back. There it is. Holy cow. Holy cow. Stop laughing at me.
Sorry.
This is being filmed. All right, thank you very much. Please write the formula for this compound. Copper 2 chloride. What's the first thing you're going to do?
See how many steps it takes.
Nope.
No.
You're writing the ions. Hey, Ed, would you turn the volume down on the speakers? Thank you.
Here's copper.
Okay, step 1. Here we go. Copper 2 chloride. Copper, chlorine. Now I need to make them ions. Chlorine always has what charge? -1. Copper has a charge of
-7.
+2. Hey, how many people watched this stupid bowl? How many, the Super Bowl? How many people watched halftime show? Halftime show?
Oh,
Halftime
boy.
show. Who performed on the halftime show?
Beyonce.
Beyonce performed on the halftime show. Name me a Beyonce song.
Single ladies.
Name another.
Love on top.
Halo.
Another one.
Love on top. Got my love on top.
Okay, we'll be doing some singing. You just wait.
All right.
We'll be doing some. What is that one?
I'm
I
Beyonce.
know Destiny Child song.
No. Come on. That's it. That's all that.
No, Beyonce has many songs.
Oh, what about Bootylicious?
No, not that song. Not with a ring on it. What? No.
Irreplaceable.
You know that. That's it.
Oh.
That's it. And so what is that catchy little bit that they do on that part? Okay, sing that part. Ready? Set.
Irreplaceable.
To the. Oh my gosh. You
To the left, to the left.
Thank
to the
you.
left, to the
That's
left.
exactly what I want to hear you say. To the left, to the left, to the left. The Roman numeral belongs to the charge on the atom on the So therefore, when we are doing this, we must always be aware of the Beyonce rule.
Can we sing Nicki Minaj?
No.
What is the Beyonce rule?
To the
To the
left.
To the
left,
left, to the left, to the left. Okay, one more time. What's the Beyonce rule?
to the left, to the left.
Okay, now, really, what does that mean? Because this is going to be the same thing as Azkaban.
Oh.
You're going to be able to tell me Azkaban, but you're not going to be able to tell me what it means. What does the Beyonce rule mean?
To the
Okay,
The Roman numerals go to the left.
the Roman numeral is the oxidation number to the left. Do we need a small refresher course on Roman numerals?
No.
No, maybe we do, because really, I'm not a Roman.
I
don't even know what they are. I use Latin numbers. Do you use Latin numbers?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the Latin numerals that we use in everyday life. And the Roman numerals that are equivalent to them are right here. Okay. Now that we had that fun interlude, let us write this. We would rewrite these again like that. The 2 over here, the 1 that we lazy people never write over there. Please write the formula for copper to nitro.
Cobalt?
You mean cobalt?
I do. I look at one thing and I say the other. This is going to be the most fabulous film thing on the planet. So far I've said nothing right. Okay. It's okay. I'll edit myself. Cobalt, number 27, for those of you who are still looking. Thank you. Nitrogen. Okay. Nitrogen is in group 15. It has an oxidation number or charge of -3. Cobalt has a charge of
Two.
+2. So when I crisscross that, I'm going to put the 3 here and the 2 there. Is that correct?
Yeah.
It is manganese for oxide. Manganese, number 25, has the symbol Mn. It has an oxidation number or charge of +4. Nope. It's transition now. Oxide comes from oxygen.
-2.
Oxygen is -2.
Yes.
I'm going to crisscross those as Mn2O4. Am I done? No. I'm going to simplify because you know what? Chemistry's a lot like math, isn't it? MnO2.
Forgot the one.
Okay, got it. All right, that wasn't so hard. Here we go. Let's write some formulas, or some names from the formulas. It's a little more trickalicious. Here's our example. CuCl. From that, I need to find its name. Step 1, Write the name of the metal first. Look at that. Copper. And then very logically, I will skip to number 3. Write the name of the non-metal, changing the ending to IDE. Fluoride. What do you think number 2 is about?
Crisscross.
Nope. The Roman numeral, and here it is. You know what? You can skip all of this part because this is the same as uncrisscross. Uncrisscross. So all you have to do is uncrisscross to figure out what the Roman numeral is. Exactly what would I be uncrisscrossing in this formula?
1.
Ones that we are too lazy to write. So up here would be +1, over here would be -1. Invoking the Beyonce rule, what would I write right here?
1.
1. Very good. Okay, let's try one that isn't 1. Try this one. Write it down. Step 1 is write the name of the metal. Which is not the same spelling as something that's worth 5 cents. Step 2, write the anion, fluoride. Step 3, uncrisscross. What goes in the middle?
2.
2 is correct. You know, somebody last period said, hey, is that the stuff we put on our teeth? Is it?
No.
No, this is the stuff that is put on your teeth. Please name it. Write that down.
Where is this? 50. Good.
Yeah? Or, you know, and sometimes they use this too. Name this one.
That's so weird.
Ooh, I gotcha. Did you put a Roman numeral in there?
Yeah, I put a 1.
Yeah. Where does this come from?
Group.
1, which is
1.
monovalent. Do you ever need a Roman numeral there?
Oh,
No.
silly
If you
goose.
write a Roman numeral where it's not needed, it's wrong. It's wrong. Don't get caught. Here, let's try a trickalicious one.
She's going to try one of the
Here
bastards.
we go. Name that one. walking around some chat. Almost there, but not quite. Nope. Yes. 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 No. No.
Is that what you put? Our whole conversation is gonna continue.
Yes. Yes. Can't find it. Oh. Nope. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. This is where the uncrisscrossing doesn't work so well, huh?
Why?
Why? Because this is actually iron to sulfide.
That's what I got.
All right, here's the deal. What is the charge on sulfur every single time? -2. You know that all ionic compounds are neutral. That means that their charge, when you add up the charge, is 0. So the way to look at this is this way. The -2 from the sulfur has to be balanced by a positive charge in order to get a 0. What must the positive charge be? +2. All right, so uncrisscrossing doesn't help you if somebody has reduced it before, got it? Remember, we wrote manganese 4 oxide as MnO2. Ah, that's another case where uncrisscrossing doesn't work. Mostly it works, but not that time. All right, that's all we're doing today.
Yes.